The addition using number line. First, we need to know what is a number line. The number line is a straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals. Okay, how can we add on the number line? Here we have 5 plus 3 equal what? We need to know. First step, you will find the largest number. Here, the largest number is 5, so you will stop on 5. Let's go. Then, when we add on the number line, we jump forward. Here we go. Start at 5 and do 3 jumps. 1, 2, and 3. We stop on 8, so that 5 plus 3 equal 8. Okay, let us go to the next example. Here we have 3 plus 2 equal what? What is the first step? Stop on the largest number. Here we have 3 and 2. 3 is bigger. Let's stop on 3. We stop on the largest number or on the biggest number to get fewer jumps. Okay? Here we will jump just 2. Okay, let's start. We will jump forward. 1, 2. We stop on 5. Look here, what is this number? It's 5. So that 3 plus 2 jumps equal 5. Wow, it's so easy. Let's make it more difficult. Here we have 11 plus 3 equal what? Can you do it? What is the first step? The first step, we will stop on the largest number. Here we will stop on 11. Let's stop over there. Then we will jump forward 3 jumps. Let's go. Count with me. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we stop on what? We stop on 14. So that 11 plus 3 equal 14. Well done. And this was our lesson. Thank you.